Welcome to ToolsMet. Today, we're taking a closer look at the CNC machine, a modern tool that has completely transformed woodworking and industrial manufacturing. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. This machine operates using computer-generated instructions to cut, carve, drill, and shape materials with high precision. Unlike traditional manual machines, CNC machines deliver consistent and accurate results every time. CNC machines are widely used in woodworking, metal fabrication, acrylic cutting, and industrial production, from furniture panels and decorative designs to mechanical parts and sign making. CNC machines handle complex jobs with ease. One major benefit of a CNC machine is accuracy. It can create fine details, smooth finishes, and exact measurements that are difficult to achieve manually. This not only improves product quality, but also saves time and reduces material waste. Another advantage is automation. Once the design file is loaded, the CNC machine performs multiple operations, such as cutting, drilling, and engraving in one setup. This increases productivity and allows operators to focus on design and quality control. CNC machines support various tools, including end mills, router bits, drill bits, and engraving tools, making them extremely versatile. With proper software, even complex designs can be executed with minimal supervision. Safety is also improved, as most operations are controlled through a computer interface, keeping the operator at a safe distance from moving parts. Whether you are a professional manufacturer, workshop owner, or serious DIY user, a CNC machine is a powerful investment for modern production. At ToolsMet, we bring you trusted reviews and insights on the best tools to help you work smarter and faster.